Hi, to insert SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A14, we would need to firstly find this pin which comes with your device. Here is how it looks, and we would need to take this pin to take out the SIM slot. And of course, we would need to take our SD card, which looks like this. So, as a first step, we would need to find the SIM slot which is located on the left edge of your phone. Here is how it looks, and you can see that it got little hole on it. We would need to take our pin and put it into this little hole that you can see here. So put it in, and when you can feel that it's not going any deeper, you would need to lightly push on it until the SIM slot will get out like this. Then with the help of your nails, take it out, and here is how the SIM slot looks. The place for our SD card is right here at the biggest hole that you can see here. So we would need to take our SD card and put it into this biggest part of this SIM slot, and if you can see that it's not fitting in, we would need to try rotate it and put it from the second side. And now you can see that the SD card is in. Now we would need to put this SIM slot back into our phone, and make sure that you're putting it back with the same side that you take it out. And we can check it by the holes. As you can see, we got this little hole on our phone and also one on the SIM slot, and we would need to put them on the same side and then just push it in. And this is it. We have successfully inserted the SD card. This is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.